What is functional programming?
Functional programming is a style of software development that focuses on using pure functions, avoiding shared state, and building programs by composing functions. Unlike imperative programming, which relies on changing variables and state, functional programming emphasizes immutability and clear, predictable code. Today, these ideas shape the way developers think about writing robust, maintainable software across different programming languages.
Origins of functional programming.
The roots of functional programming go back to the 1930s, when mathematician Alonzo Church developed lambda calculus. This formal system laid the theoretical groundwork for treating computation as mathematical functions. In the 1950s and 60s, languages like LISP and later ML incorporated these concepts, setting the stage for a new way of expressing algorithms and data transformations.
Functional languages that made history.
Languages such as Lisp, Haskell, and Erlang have been instrumental in advancing functional programming. Lisp, one of the earliest programming languages, introduced features like recursion and dynamic typing. Haskell popularized strong typing and lazy evaluation, while Erlang focused on fault tolerance and concurrency, demonstrating the practical strengths of the functional approach in different domains.
Functional programming's influence today.
Many modern languages, including JavaScript, Python, and Scala, incorporate functional programming features like higher-order functions, immutability, and pattern matching. Even traditionally object-oriented languages like Java and C# now support functional constructs, allowing developers to write cleaner code, simplify concurrency, and reduce bugs by minimizing side effects.
Functional thinking in modern tech careers.
Understanding functional programming concepts is increasingly valuable for anyone pursuing a tech career. Adopting these principles can improve code quality and help manage complex systems, especially in data science, web development, and systems programming. As software development evolves, a solid grasp of functional programming will remain a vital skill for modern technologists.